Hello, welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will configure the Drupal SAM-LSP module with Azure AD or Microsoft Entra ID. Before proceeding, you need to download and install the Drupal SAM-LSP module to your Drupal site. We already have a module installation setup guide. You can find a link in the description. After successfully installing the module, select the Mini Orange SAM login configuration under the Configuration tab. You will be redirected to the Service Provider Metadata tab. Download the metadata file, and keep it handy. It will be required to configure Azure AD as an identity provider. Now, let's configure the Azure AD as an identity provider. To do so, first create an application and then assign users and groups to that application. Log into your Microsoft Azure or Entra ID portal with your credentials. After login, select Enterprise Application from the Azure Services section. Click on the New Application button. Click on the Create Your Own Application button. In the pop-up, enter the app name and choose Integrate any other application you don't find in the Gallery, Non-Gallery option. Click Create button. Click on the Get Started link in the Setup Single Sign-On card under the Getting Started section. Click on the SAML card and click the Upload Metadata File button. Click on the file icon to LPAD file and then click on Add button. In the basic SAML configuration dialog box, verify all details and click on the Save button. Now, copy the App Federation metadata URL and keep it handy. It will require to set up Drupal as SAM-LSP. Now, let's assign users and groups to the application. In the left side menu, click on Users and Groups. Click on the Add User or Group button. Click on the None selected link. Under User window on the right side, search for the users to be assigned and click on them. Click on the Select button, and then click on Assign button. Now, return to the Drupal site and click the Service Provider Setup tab. Expand the Upload the IDP metadata tab and paste the App Federation metadata URL from the Azure AD. Click on the Fetch Metadata button. After saving successfully, click on the test link to check the connection between Drupal and Azure AD. Then, a test configuration pop-up will appear. Log into Azure AD, if you have no active session. After login, you will be provided a list of the attributes received from Azure AD. That's it. We have successfully configured Azure AD as an identity provider and Drupal service provider. We do offer multiple features. You can check out the feature list in the description below. Experience a full-featured 7-day trial to explore our SAM-LSP module as per your use case. Request the trial by emailing us at drupalsupport@securify.com. Thank you for watching.